Module 7.1, Loudness and the Critical Band. As we saw with the last module, when listening to individual frequencies, loudness is dependent on both frequency and sound pressure level. When listening to multiple tones or sounds with a wider frequency spectrum, the perceived loudness is also dependent on the bandwidth of the sound. Bandwidth refers to a range of frequencies. It is not a frequency itself. For example, a bandwidth of 1,000 Hz could be 500 to 1,500 Hz. It could be 2,000 to 3,000 Hz or 10,000 to 11,000 Hz. In Module 5, I spoke about the critical band, the bandwidth where two sounds heard simultaneously and close in frequency sound like one sound, not two. When the bandwidth of a sound is greater than the critical band, it will sound louder than pure tones or sounds that are the same sound pressure level, but within the critical band. Listen to this track from the Auditoria demonstration CD. You will hear pairs of noise bursts that all have the same sound pressure level. The first sound in each pair is the reference. In the first pair, the two sounds are identical. After that, the bandwidth of the second sound in the pair will increase with each sounding. Once the bandwidth of the second sound exceeds the bandwidth of the critical band, the sound should sound louder than the first, even though they are both the same sound pressure level. The series of pairs is played 2 times. So, the relationship between measured sound pressure level and perceived loudness is complicated and depends on many factors.